Hey guys, welcome back. On today's episode of The Sooty Show, I'm going to be showing you my exact thought process and the steps I took for a short film. Actually, for the pre-production of this short film. In this video, you can find a lot of cool tips about how pre-production works. Also, find it in your hearts to ignore everything in the back. I'm in a big transition right now. Anyway, let's get into the video.
So, about 5 weeks ago, I'm just sitting in my room scrolling on my laptop, doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm pretty stuck creatively and can't think of any content creation ideas. But luckily, after a while of TV watching and pretty much silent, it comes to me. And sometimes that's all it takes. It's just a burst in the moment of thought and imagination. So, I quickly got on my laptop and immediately got to writing down things that first popped up in my head. I highly recommend this strategy of remembering your ideas as creators because we constantly forget. As so many things are flying through my head, I'm thinking to myself, I'm kind of overwhelmed already. So I immediately went over to YouTube and started my research. Finding inspiration or just overall help in the pre production process is very essential, especially to beginners like I am. And give yourself enough time to dig deep during this process. You want to be able to find new ideas or possible solutions to any problems during this process of your pre production. And once you feel like you've had enough screen time from this process, make sure you get to work immediately. Waiting the next day to continue planning kind of eliminates the creative juices that you already have flowing. So just start now. My next steps in this process was to actively go out and scout locations that I had ideas for. And yes, this is IKEA. And of course, I made the list that I need for this film.
So I hope you guys really enjoyed this little process I have of pre-production throughout these last 4 to 5 weeks. And I hope you guys are excited for the production of Urban Legends as much as I am. So until next time, thank you guys for watching. Bye!